Chapter 13, Pharmaceutical Companies, Putting Huge Profits Ahead of Patients. There will be, in the next generation or so, a pharmacological method for making people love their servitude, and producing dictatorship without tears, so to speak, producing a kind of painless concentration camp for entire societies, so that people will in fact have their liberties taken away from them, but will rather enjoy it, because they will be distracted from any desire to rebel by propaganda or brainwashing enhanced by the pharmacological method. This seems to be the final revolution. This is a quote by Aldous Huxley, 1961. Here are some channeled words from spirituality from the stars in regards to the pharmaceutical industry. The nature of medicine here in your dimension is currently advancing and developing. It is progressing slowly. There have been great leaps and bounds forward in the last linear century within the area of surgery. Much of the developments with breakthroughs have been accepted through channeled wisdom being infused into the minds of your laboratory workers, and this has proved successful to a degree, although there is still much to be infused. There are some areas of your medical science that has literally hit stumbling blocks to date, but knowledge will be infused when the right moment is created. With medical advancements there will also be setbacks, as the nature of medicine and health is constantly fluctuating. There has been a more concentrated focus towards the effects and the consequent ripple of illness created within mind consciousness and then being manifested physically within the body by the evidential physical symptoms, and this scenario will be further developed and studied. This will be more rapidly regarded by your logical thinking scientific communities and embraced by many. The realization of a healthy mind and the process of thought patterns will be embraced as it should be. This movement of study regarding the mental, emotional and etheric bodies and its impact on the physical vessel will reflect the times of some of your advanced civilizations that have existed on your planet before in other human incarnation periods. The control of many humans by pharmaceutical companies that exist in the main for their profit and to control a populace, will see them try to develop new ways to expand and reinvigorate their controls to recoup their monetary losses. As the vibratory rate increases in humans, the nature of medicine will need to change, and in turn more developed knowledge will be retuned and infused into human minds. The use and popularity of crystals, energy, color, plants and astrological influences will be developed further and become popular again. The current idealism of orally taken tablets and injections will gradually become less popular, giving way to new forms of medicine that influence the auric energy fields that encompass you and that surround everything. The thoughts of injecting a chemical will become abhorrent to you, and such items will belong in a museum in your future. Alternatives, or what is considered alternative now, will be respected and much challenging will occur, but will be proven worthy as a successor to currently what you term modern medicine. The nature of your physical vessel is developing and changing as vibratory rates increase. In turn, the changing notion of medicine will also be bringing with it much development infused through from the next realm and higher further still, in order to collaborate with the evolvement of your changing physical vessels.